Interior office room. Day 2 men face each other across a desk. Their differences are clear. Chlorine is big and looks powerful. He seems ready to take charge. Hydrogen is smaller, wearing a plain white shirt. He looks simple but determined. The chlorine grabs the thin man by his neck and starts shaking him. The weak hydrogen hardly slips away and moves from the fat man's grip.
Where do you think you are going? What do you want from me? I want my electrons. They're not just yours, they're ours. Aha, who said so?
We agreed to share 1 electron each. That was the deal for our covalent company.
That was your understanding. But look at us now. Who's stronger? Who's more electronegative? Who can attract the electrons more?
You are chlorine, but that doesn't mean you can just take them all for yourself.
Look at the table of kings, the periodic table. Who is seated higher? It's me. My position grants me the strength to pull what I need towards me. Do not forget life isn't fair. Hydrogen. In this world of bonds, my pull is stronger. This polar bond. It means I keep the electrons closer to me more often than you, whether you like it or not.
So this means you steal the electrons to yourself.
Ha 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 ha. Not steal them. They just get to stay with me more time.
Oh, I guess that's just how it is. But remember, even though you pull stronger, I'm still part of this bond. We need each other for stability.
True. Without you, I wouldn't be complete. We balance each other out, despite the inequality.
In the world of chemistry, bonds form in many ways. Some are equal, some are not. Fluorine and hydrogen show us how a polar covalent bond works, where one atom's pull on the shared electrons is stronger due to higher electronegativity. This imbalance creates a molecule with slightly charged ends. Get ready to be amazed in our next video, where you will know more secrets about polarity and how to find out the shapes of the molecules and the bond angles and hybridization.